Hi, my name is Stanton and I'm running for your Carmarthen campus president.
Studying here.
Anybody who approached me and said that they wanted to they were thinking about coming to Carmarthen and taking a course on this campus, then I would encourage them highly because it's a great campus. Even though it's a small, friendly campus, it's a very functional campus, and for a small campus, we do very well. The campus can offer a lot of things like the education system is great. The staff here are friendly and approachable. You get amazing opportunities, and you can engage and motivate yourself to take part in societies, clubs, sport, part-time roles like part-time officers to help other students, and also within campus they offer you job opportunities as students to work in the places like the Halliwell or the canteen. Yeah, I think it's just from my personal experience, I wouldn't have gone anywhere else because I feel that I fit in here, and I feel that anybody who is a bit shy and is worried about going to university, I think this campus is absolutely ideal because it is a small campus, because people are more likely to get to know you better because of the size of the campus. I think it's a great way for young individuals to start their life and kind of open up to themselves and open up to others, really. I'm going to improve the lives of Carmarthen students by listening to their opinion and echoing the voice of what they need to say. I believe that every single student on this campus has an opinion and it should be shared. First of all, if I would improve Carmarthen students' lives by improving the mental health facilities on campus, where counsellors are not always there either 24/7 or they're not there every single day. Free gym membership for people who live on campus, and also opening the studio for School of Performing Arts, because there is a gym in there. You just need to sign the keys out. Reopening of the SU bar as well, I think that's important for campus because I think it's the livelihood of this campus. It brings everybody together in one place. I think that's really important for building friendships and relationships with other students. Making sure improving the Wi-Fi on campus. Also improving getting bigger car parking facilities, and obviously getting student placement bursaries. Basically just trying to receive more money because the bursaries now don't cover the costs of the actual placements. So just trying to get that on board and make it bigger and better. Things I would do effectively is like be extremely professional. So if there's a meeting at 9 o'clock, you'd be there 10 to 9. That's a great start. Also working effectively with like team cohesion. So coming together as a team and opening up to other people with your opinions, and obviously listening to other people's opinions, even though we don't agree on them, doesn't matter, they still are obligated to give their opinion towards you. And then hopefully just being extremely professional about it and sitting down and talking about problems that we can engage on throughout all three campuses, and just work together and come together as a team, and making sure that we all are on the same page as each other. Voting opens on the 8th of February. Check your student emails for the voting link, and remember, for student heaven, vote for Evan.